fractions. Before I do an algebra one, even though it's year 13 and even though you're bright enough people, I will do what I always do and just do a number example first. Right, not sure who we're on now. Harry, okay, Harry, 3/5. Take away 2/7. What's the first thing I do? Okay, what's the common denominator? What have some of you just done to get that? Okay, so I'm going to write that down there, okay, rather than the 35, because this will help, the process here will help you in a minute. Okay, now what do I do, Harry?
Then you do 3 times 7 and 2 times 5.
3 times 7, that one times that one,
Yeah.
and then this one times by that one. Stick a minus sign in there. So, yeah, on the top I've got 21, take away 10. On the bottom I've got 35. That's 11 over 35. Okay, Harry. Exercise 6C. I'm going to have to pinch your book a minute.
Quite easy.
Okay, exercise 6C, Harry. Question 1. So we're now on page 296. Harry, can you choose a part, please? Question 1, Harry. A. Okay. Right, 2x over 3 minus x over 4. Use exactly the same process as we use with numbers. We times those two together to get the denominator. So 3 times by 4 is 12. Then you times together. I'm going to call this cross multiplying. The 2x times by the 4, the x times by the 3, the minus sign goes in there. That's 5x over 12. That was very, very easy. Harry, can you choose? No, don't bother. Okay, we'll go to Fraser. Fraser, question 2.
Question 2, let's go for B.
B. 1 over 2x plus 2 over x. Common denominator. Put times those two things together. 2x times by x. Then cross multiply. 1 times by x. 2x times by 2. I'm going to get 5x over 2x squared. Fraser, what should I do to finish that one?
Get rid of an x.
Yeah, get rid of an x on the top and on the bottom. Okay, we're back to Callum. Callum, question 3. Which bit am I doing?
C.
3c. 4 over x plus 3. Take away 2 over x plus 4. Same process as before. Common denominator. Times those two together. That's x plus 3 and x plus 4 being multiplied together. Cross multiply the top left and bottom right. And top right and bottom left with a minus sign between them. Do not multiply the bottom together. Keep them in brackets. Because what you're hoping to do is find one of those brackets appearing in a minute on the top. Multiply at the top, so that's 4x plus 16 minus 2x minus 6. Just be careful with your signs. Minus times a plus is a minus. On the top I've got 4x, take away 2x, which is 2x. 16 take away 6, which is 10. Bottom stays the same. Anything else I can do here?
2x plus 2 times x.
I could take 2x out and have... No, so I could take 2x, can't I? X plus 5. Okay, this question, it hasn't happened, but often you then get a bracket on the top, which is also on the bottom, so that you can cancel those out as well. Didn't happen in this question, but look out for that sort of thing. Okay, that was question 3. Question 4, Ian.
A.
Question 4a. 5 over 3x minus 1 minus 2 over 2x plus 1. Ian, first step.
Common denominator.
Which will be?
Times them together.
Yeah. What do I do next?
Cross multiply.
Yep. And what do I do next and what don't I do next?
Expand the top, but not the bottom.
Yeah. Okay, expand the top, but not the bottom. What do I get on the top, Ian?
4x plus
Okay, can't factorise that, so we're going to have to leave. What's a minus on there? We're going to have to leave our answer like that. Okay, that's question 4. Question 5. Who's choosing question 5? Forgotten where we go. Question 5. No. Sean, question 5? D. 5D. 8 over x squared minus 4 minus 4 over x minus 2. Anybody spot anything here? Thank you, yeah, Gavin, well done. This is the difference of two squares. X squared minus 4 is the same as x squared, take away 2 squared. So it's the difference of two squares. It's x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay, so that question is 8 over x plus 2, x minus 2, minus 4 over x minus 2. Now, so far for our denominator, the bottom, we've just put all 3 things down, or all the brackets down. Here we don't need to, because this x minus 2 is already here. Our common denominator could be just x plus 2 over x minus 2. The first fraction, the 8, the bottom is already here, so I just leave it as an 8. Then I come to my multiplying sign, or my minus sign, and the 4, if you look at the bottom of the fraction here and compare it with this one, I've introduced an extra x plus 2. So I need to put the x plus 2 up here as well. So effectively, that x plus 2 and that x plus 2 cancel out, and I get there 4 over x minus 2, which is what I want here. Get rid of the brackets on the top. Sean, can you get rid of the brackets on the top for me, please? What will I end up with? Minus 4x. And I got 8 here, and I get minus 8 there. Yeah, just minus 4x, okay? There we go. Nothing else really to do on that one. Can't do anything else. That was question 5. I think we'll stop there. Okay, 8C. So what I'd like you to do now is have a go at 8C. Probably won't get any further than here because I don't want to move on to the next bit today. Okay, so if you can do some 8C, if you need to do any more 8B and 8A, you can do. And remember, there's a homework I've already set for next lesson. Did I say 8? Oh, what we need is 5, is it? 6. All right, 6. There we go then. 6A, 6B, 6C. 6A, 6B, 6C.